How to delete a conversation in Google Voice. First of all, open your browser and go to voice.google.com. Make sure you are signed in with your Google account. From the left sidebar, click on Message to view your conversation. Find the conversation you want to delete and hover over it. Click on the three dots More option next to the conversation. Now select Delete from the drop-down menu. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Click Delete again to confirm and the conversation will be permanently removed from your account. Keep in mind, once a conversation is deleted in Google Voice, you cannot recover it, so make sure before confirming. This method is an easy way to keep your Google Voice inbox clean and organized. Now you know how to delete a conversation in Google Voice. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.